Are you juggling multiple client conversations and struggling to keep everything organized? In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage multiple client conversations using GoHighLevel's all-in-one platform. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your account and preparing a list of leads. This list should be imported into the CRM's customer section by navigating to contacts and uploading the data. Once the leads are ready, go to the automation section and create a new workflow from scratch. The workflow needs a trigger to initiate the process, such as a contact tag. Next, click on Add Filter. Here, you can choose an action, such as Tag Added, and then select the tag, like Accounting. For instance, if a contact is tagged as Accounting, this will trigger the automation. The first step in the workflow is sending an email. Click on the Add button and choose Send Email. Customize the email by incorporating variables like the contact's first name for personalization. Take your time to fill in all the details of the email, then click Save Action. Once the email is sent, insert a wait time of approximately 5 minutes before the next step. Following this, add an SMS action to notify the contact. Click on the Add button, then search for Send SMS. Choose it from the search results, fill in all the details of the SMS, and then save the action. Next, include a Wait for Reply condition, giving the contact 5 minutes to respond to either the email or SMS. This step will branch into 2 possible actions. If the contact replies, you may choose to manually call them after a short wait of around 10 minutes. If they do not reply, send a follow-up SMS or email after an additional wait period of 10 minutes. Make sure these follow-up messages are friendly and personalized, rather than overly sales-focused. And there you have it. Testing the workflow will ensure everything runs smoothly. This process offers an efficient and streamlined way to automate cold email outreach in GoHighLevel. And there you have it. With GoHighLevel, you can streamline your communication and focus on delivering great service. Want to optimize your client interactions even further? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and get ready to supercharge your lead management. You can find the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more GoHighLevel tutorials. Thanks for watching.